Hello there. So in this video, to start off with, I'll show you how to first of all sign up for Dailymotion, right? So you can do a simple search on Google search, right? Type in Dailymotion and that's their website, dailymotion.com, right? So select that. Okay, so the website's trying to load. Okay, so once the website has loaded, you need to navigate to and find sign in, right? That's on the top right hand side corner. Select that, and as soon as you click on sign in, you will be presented with this pop-up menu, right? Continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with email. Now you can use these options if you have already signed up for Dailymotion. If not, don't have an account yet, you need to select that sign up. Once you click on sign up, they'll again give you these three options. You can continue with Facebook. So if you select this, you'll need to use your Facebook login details and log in through Facebook, right? Or you can use your Google account and use your Google login details to log in through Google. Or you can create a new account using an existing email address, right? So if I click on that, I'll need to enter my email address and I'll also need to enter a password or create a password. Now with the password, you need to enter a minimum of 8 characters. It needs to have at least one letter, at least one number, and at least one symbol, right? Such as a @ sign or hash, or so any of the symbols, right, that are available. So that's how you set your password, your email, whatever your email is, right? Now once you have done that, you may get a authentication email to your email account from Dailymotion, just to confirm that you have actually tried to sign up for Dailymotion, right? So just click on that and confirm that, or confirm your account. And once you've done that, you can come back to the website and just click on sign in and continue with email. If you decide to go with Facebook and Google account, that's fine as well, right? That's not a problem there. The only thing you need to remember is Dailymotion will get your profile details or some of your details from your Facebook and some of the details you have from Google, right? It will be shared. So if you don't want to do that, you can just create a new account using an existing email address, right? Or you can even go to the extent of creating a new email account just for Dailymotion, and then using that email to sign up to Dailymotion. So you can do that as well. So once you have logged in with the sign-in details that you created, or if you had previously created, once you sign in or log in to Dailymotion, you may end up on For You or Explore or Library, just depending, or as soon as you log in, you might have a video start to play, right? So that doesn't matter which page you land on. What we need to do is navigate to here, right? And select. So at the moment I haven't attached any pictures or anything. I've just created a new account, and the only two options I have is settings and sign out. So we'll select settings. Now once you select settings, on your left hand side you'll see there's a few options here, right? Edit account, change password, email preferences, feedback and research, upload, delete account, right? Name, captured by Vinny, that's the name I have given. Your email, so that's the email address. You can enter your date of birth. So I'll just enter a dummy one. Gender, I'll just specify as male. So update account. Okay, so that's updated the account, and I can change the password here, but I'll need to input my current password, input the new password, and then confirm the new password. That means I will need to enter the new password again and select update. Email preferences, so you can select what notifications you get. For example, new videos will email you about new videos from channels you follow. broadcast live, videos to watch later, video digest, tips and tricks, product announcements, right? So there's a few options there for email preferences. Then we have feedback and research. Give us your feedback. You can do that, or upload. Now, in order to upload, it says easy there. To upload new videos, you just need to create a username and verify your email. So your email is capturedbyvinny@outlook.com and your username. So that's what I've put as my username. I'll verify that. Okay, so now they have actually sent a link to my email. We have sent you a link to verify your email. Check your inbox. So now we have to check our email.